So in this video, we're going to tackle cable management. The way that these things were installed was unsightly. We had to get new cabling because when we put the bigger bars on, the original cables didn't fit. So they replaced the cabling, but they didn't tuck it away nicely. So now we're going to tuck it away nicely on today's Graybeard Biker. Right, so I have got these little cable management doodaddys, and I got them off of the Amazons. I'll put a link to them in the description. But their sole purpose, cable goes through here, this goes around the bars, and they tuck everything away nice and neat. So it should be super simple today. But we know what that means. It's never super simple. Let's see what Murphy has for us today. All right, so this is held together with a bolt, and that bolt I am using a T25 to get this bolt out. So with that, we will open it up. So T25, and then you see this kind of loosens up. I don't even know that I have to. Bolt loosens up, and then come apart. So let's see if this will fit our bar. Get over here on this side so you can see. You can't. Can you see there? All right, one down. So we got one already, and yeah, that looks a lot better than it bowing up over here, doesn't it? Now we've got some excess, so you got to figure out what to do with, because honestly there's too much cable. So I may have to figure out where the rest of this goes down there. Figure out what to do with it. So so much better on lift.
We have one of those.
Is this recording still?
Mm-hmm.
This one's really not bad. This was the bad one. And I think that's a lot better there. You need one over here? I mean, because it
doesn't really need it, but if you're thinking it's going to be off balance or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure. All right, so I put the one in, which definitely helped that big bow here. And honestly, there's not enough cable on this side. I wanted it to match, but there's not enough cable over here to do that. The other thing we noticed that was funny is this comes from underneath and goes over. This comes from underneath and stays underneath. So really great symmetry there. This was done at a dealership. So, but I think it'll be okay. I think it'll be all right. This, I think it looks a lot better. A lot better. It used to really bother me going down the road because I had that, literally flapping in my sight. So hopefully this will do a lot. It's not a whole lot, not really enough for a video, but hey, here we go. So that's really all there is for today. I have these. I got multiples of these that I don't. I now have determined I don't need. So I am going to return them to the Amazons, unless one of you guys want them before I can return them to Amazon. In which case I will send them to you. Yeah, ended up only need one. I don't like to. I got multiples in case I needed them. The wonderful thing about Amazon, don't need it, send it back. But I guess I could keep one as a spare. Probably not though. So anyway, that's it for today. And we're going to push her back all the way in the garage. And then tomorrow we'll take it to work, see how it all does. And then on Wednesday, we're going to Thunder by the Bay. And we'll see how she does. Thanks, guys. Stay free. Keep it shiny side up.